Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a stack actually. This is red leaf coffee going just under 6 miles.
Hello.
Hello.
Page, okay, yes, we have the drink for that one, but you're all out of the banana bread muffin. We literally sold the last one as soon as DoorDash came in.
Okay.
Literally, we were handing the last banana muffin out the window as that order was coming.
Perfect timing.
Okay, here's that for you. Sorry about that.
Total for that stack was $15. Wow, that was actually pretty good. It's unfortunate that the second drop-off didn't reply at all. I genuinely believe that people wake up, order their coffee, and go right back to sleep, and just expect me to be their actual alarm to wake up. This is a Seize the Bagel going 8 miles, and it's leaving me somewhere I don't want to be, so I'm not too excited about it. Total for that one was $16 and change. Oh, wow. They actually tipped really well. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And they got the next order right away. This is McDonald's going just under 3 miles.
DoorDash?
Thank you. Total for that one was $8 and change. Pretty good, actually. It didn't take very long at all. And got this one right away. This is a Black Rock coffee going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $6. Okay, time to pause all the apps so I can drive back into my zone, because I don't think these orders are gonna last much longer up here. Making it back into my zone and got the next order. This is a Starbucks going just under 2 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $5 and change. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $11 going 5 miles, only one item.
You want to do self-checkout or check stand?
Current time is 7:30. Current total is 53. And just waiting for the tip on that last order, which should bump it up a lot. Either way, I'll just slap this with another segment, so enjoy the kitty clips in between. Okay, baby. I know, baby. Yo, we back. Starting off the day with Earn by Time. There's Peak Pay on right now, so current rate is $18 an hour. I think it's only gonna last for one order, so not too crazy. This first order is gonna be a Mr. Maple Donuts going 4 miles. No tip on that. Total for that one was $5 and change. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is $8, going just under 5 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Thank you. No more peak pay, so current rate is back to $17 an hour. Next up is a Black Rock coffee going about 4 miles. Hello. Total for that order was $7 and change. Next up, got a Jack in the Box going 4 miles.
Thank you for Jack. Next time, may I help you? Have a good day.
You too. What? Okay, so the GPS wants me to hop a fence to deliver this because the drop-off is on the other side of the street. Total for that one was $10, and earned by time is over because they just tried to give me 2 different orders going across the river, and we're just not doing that today. Okay, the only orders that I've gotten in the past 30 minutes are really bad. Like $5 going 12 miles type of bad. So I think I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 7:31. Total ended up with $30 for today. Anyways, enjoy these kitty clips, and I'll see you on the next one. I know, baby. Yo, starting off the day with earn by time. I think there's peak pay on right now. This is gonna be $18 an hour, and this first order is a McDonald's going about 3 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $8. Next up, got a Starbucks. This one is going 4 miles.
Are you picking up?
Yeah, Joshua.
Yeah, it's right here for you.
Thank you. Perfect. There you are.
All right, thank you very much.
Have a good day. Total for that one was just under $8. Took me about 15 minutes to get back to my spot, and as soon as I got there, they're sending me all the way back to that same Starbucks. This one is $9 going about 5 miles. Hello, can I leave this here? Gotcha. Thank you. Next up, this one is Panera going 6.5 miles. Total for that order was $8 and change. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee, $11 and change, going about 6 miles. Okay, yeah, this isn't happening today for some reason. Pretty surprising. It's a Saturday morning and haven't gotten an order in like 30 minutes. I guess we're gonna call it here. Current time is 7:49. Current total is 36 and still waiting on 1 Uber tip, which should bump it up quite a bit. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.